What's up, YouTube fam? The phone doctor Javier Guzman is back in the house with another episode. In this episode, I wanted to do something a little bit different and go over a product that I ran across from one of the companies that I follow who help startups build, create, and just help get their ideas off the ground. The name of the company is Brinc, so if you guys aren't familiar with them, check them out. They're doing some really cool things, and they have headquarters in Hong Kong, Bahrain, and I believe they're just going to be opening another one up in India. So without further ado, let's unbox Silentmode. All right, here we have the Silentmode power mask. I'm really excited to open this up and give this a test. But before we open it up, let's go ahead and go over the features. So it does have 100% blackout, high quality audio, Bluetooth 4.2, a 24-hour battery life, and noise isolating. Let's dig right in. All right, the packaging feels great. Looks like it's just gonna flip open here. And voila, look at that. We have an accordion style like packaging. Got a nice plush little bag. This feels really nice and soft. And it's got a nice padded down here so you can set it down. We have a 3.5 headphone jack, so if you do want to plug in, not run on Bluetooth. And we also have a micro USB charger. And here's the goods. Ooh la la. Man, this actually feels great. Look at that. Nice and soft. You can see the cutouts. You can feel the cutouts in here for your eyes. And I believe these are going to be here for the speaker right here on the right side. But this is plush. I mean, this feels great. Really good quality. Yep, feels fantastic. So it looks like we can charge it right here down at the bottom. And let's see. Is this the power button? That might be a internal switch. Oh, yep, that is the power button. Looks like we got this bad boy on, functioning. I'm excited to give this a try. So let's go to the manual real quick and see what exactly we need to do to get this puppy running. So hold down the power button. The device will flash for 3 seconds. So I believe we're flashing. So it is ready to connect. Let me grab my device real quick and we can get this plugged in. Or not plugged in, but connected to the Bluetooth. And we are connected. Awesome. Let's put some music on. It's playing music. Great. I do want to hear the sound quality on this and see how it sounds. I'm not going to really be using it for music. I'm going to mainly be using it for like some ambient sound and stuff like that to get my rest in. But yeah, it looks like it's really simple, easy to connect. The inner eye mask is removable. So that's great if you do want to wash it or lend it out to somebody, you can definitely do that. Let's see what the insides of this looks like. Oh, okay, so there's your driver's headphones. Pretty cool. And this just covers up nicely. Not sure what this, oh, that's for the power switch. Let's get this box out of the way. Bam, so there we go, there's another speaker. So I believe with these we can actually move these over where we want to and adjust it to our ears accordingly, depending where your ear placement is when you wrap the mask on. So this is the part that does remove. So if you do want to launder this here, you can launder it and clean it off in case it does get dirty. So really cool. Overall, I mean, I like the quality of this. It feels really nice and plush. This is really solid, and I'm excited to give this a try. Lots of cool stuff. Technology is always increasing, so it's really cool to see new technology like this. Really excited to try it out. So that's pretty much the unboxing part of it. Let's check out the app. I know the app is really cool. We can run this here, silent mode. And we do have audio playing. So the cool thing is you can actually choose between focus, relax, power nap. Any of these features that you want to run, you can run. And it looks like there is a tutorial that you can run as well. So it sounds really loud.
Okay, let's get ready to begin. Please start by making sure you are sitting down comfortably with your back straight and your headphones or nap device connected. When you start the session, you will hear a beep like this, which is your guide. When you hear the beep go up in tone like this, breathe in through your nose. When you hear the beep go down in tone...
Well, let's give this guy a try. I'm interested to see how this is going to work. Okay, we have hit siesta time. I have been up since 4:30 this morning and I'm pretty exhausted, so I'm thinking about giving this silent mode a little trial and take a power nap. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one of these settings that's inside here. You can see there's a focus, relax, and power nap. I'll probably make another video going over all this as well, or maybe just tie it into this one. We'll see what I do. This is my first product review, so it may be a little choppy and whatnot, but hopefully within time, you know, the videos will get better. So thank you guys for your patience in watching this. It looks like there's a focus 5-minute exercise, a relax 8-minute exercise, and a 20-minute power nap. Let me see, I don't need the tutorial, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to do the 20-minute power nap. Let's run that. So cool, we got this running. Set this here, and it's time to block out the world. Oh, it is very comfortable. I like this. Music is nice and relaxing. Let's see if I can black out, get some REM in this 20 minutes. Woo. All right, power nap is done. Wow, I blacked out. So I did get a little bit of REM sleep, which is good on that little power nap that I took. And I feel pretty good. I'm re-energized. Good. Overall, I give this a really good rating. So it allows me to give a rating on how I feel, and I'm gonna give it an 8. You know, I almost hit REM sleep. I was about to dream halfway in, and then I just got out of it. So I was really hoping to get that REM sleep. I really enjoy when I get REM sleep because that actually means I'm snoozed, and that's where most of my energy comes back from. So unfortunately, I was almost there. I think on the next one, I'll probably hit it, but for this time, I wasn't able to hit it. Maybe I got camera shy and wasn't able to do it. So, but yeah, overall, I give this product a really good score. So you guys got to pick one up, give it a try, and check out Silentmode. I'll leave the links and everything down below. Cheers. Hey YouTube fam, welcome back. I was gonna say.